Hey there, amazing parents. If you're navigating the beautiful chaos of early parenthood, this is your go-to community. Subscribe to our channel for trusted insights, science-backed tips, and heartfelt encouragement to make your parenting journey smoother and more joyful. Let's empower each other with knowledge and support, because together, we're shaping the future, one baby step at a time. Did you know that the sounds you make while soothing your baby can significantly impact their ability to fall asleep? It's true. The first sleepless night with your little one may feel daunting, but understanding the gentle art of calming strategies can transform this challenge. As a new parent, your baby's cries can pierce through the night, leaving you frazzled and unsure. But there's comfort in knowing that with a few subtle tweaks to your routine, you can help your baby and yourself find peace. Recognizing signs of sleepiness and creating a consistent pre-sleep ritual, like a soothing lullaby or gentle back rub, can make all the difference. Setting up a restful sleep environment is crucial for both of you. Think about the nursery. Is it dark and quiet enough? Or perhaps a soft nightlight and calming white noise machine could make it more inviting. Observing your baby's sleep cues and responding consistently is key. Were they rubbing their eyes or yawning? These are signals that they're ready for bed. Helping them wind down with a warm bath or soft story can create a comforting transition to sleep. These small adjustments are part of the journey to restful nights and happy mornings, ensuring your baby feels secure and relaxed. You might be wondering if you'll ever get a full night's sleep again, and that's completely normal. Rest assured, finding solutions to sleepless nights isn't just about getting more shut-eye. It's about ensuring your baby is growing healthily and feeling secure. Sleep plays an essential role in your baby's development, affecting everything from mood to early brain circuitry. When your baby struggles to sleep, it can lead to fussiness and make them feel unsettled, which in turn might stress you out. It's important to recognize that these moments of nighttime restlessness are opportunities to grow stronger together as a parent and child. Every parent wants to do what's best for their baby, and that includes finding a sleep routine that supports their well-being. Sleep affects physical growth and brain development, both crucial in those early months. The right strategies help your baby process their day, regulate emotions, and enhance their learning. As you gently optimize their sleep routine, you're providing them the foundation for a healthier life. When you see your baby's refreshed, smiling face after a good night's sleep, it's a reassuring reminder of the positive impact your nurturing efforts are making. By addressing sleepless nights with patience and care, you're contributing profoundly to your child's growth and happiness. A common mix-up many parents face is thinking that holding or feeding their baby every time they cry will help them fall asleep. While these responses come from a place of love and a desire to comfort, it's essential to understand that constant intervention can sometimes disrupt their sleep habits. Babies often make noises and give what might seem like distress signals during light phases of their sleep cycle, which is entirely normal. Interpreting every sound as a call for help can inadvertently wake them up fully, making it harder for them to learn to self-soothe and return to sleep independently. Instead of responding immediately to every whimper, take a moment to observe their cues closely. They might just need a little time to settle themselves back down. Another pitfall is rushing a bedtime routine due to the day's exhaustion, which can make your baby feel hurried and even more alert. Investing a little extra time in calming rituals, even when you're tired, pays off in the long run. Gentle strokes or low-key activities like reading a short, soft-toned story can create a sense of security and signal that it's time to wind down. Remember, consistency is key. By establishing a predictable and soothing routine, you're teaching your baby valuable sleep skills that they will carry through life. Calmly embracing evidence-backed practices can make a big difference in how you handle those sleepless nights. Studies show that consistent bedtime routines play a crucial role in improving sleep patterns for infants. This routine creates a sense of security and predictability, which helps your baby's body and mind prepare for rest. By dimming the lights, maintaining quiet time, and engaging in soothing activities like a warm bath or soft music, you signal to your baby's internal clock that sleep is approaching. Such cues reinforce the body's natural circadian rhythms, gradually teaching your little one to differentiate night from day, facilitating longer and more restful nights. Moreover, Incorporating brief periods of quiet observing before rushing to soothe every whimper can encourage self-soothing skills, which are essential for their sleep independence. Research emphasizes the importance of creating an environment conducive to sleep, with all the elements such as temperature, sound, and light optimized for comfort. When you maintain a consistent sleep setting along with a bedtime routine, you're not just promoting better sleep tonight, you're instilling healthy habits that benefit their overall growth and development. These small shifts, grounded in research, foster resilience and restful nights for both you and your little one. Think of creating a sleep routine for your baby like preparing a garden for seeds to grow. The right steps ensure a thriving environment. Here are 3 pivotal steps to help your baby's sleep flourish. First, set a consistent bedtime routine lasting about 20 to 30 minutes. This is your way of tilling the soil, preparing your baby mentally and physically for sleep. Second, ensure the sleep environment is comfortable. Nurture the soil with the right temperature, soft lighting, and perhaps white noise to block out distractions. Lastly, monitor and respond to specific sleep cues throughout the night without immediately intervening, allowing your baby to develop self-soothing skills, akin to giving a plant space to grow independently. To contrast these strategies, imagine trying to plant seeds haphazardly without preparing the ground. Without a routine, bedtime becomes unpredictable and possibly unsettling for your baby, much like seeds scattered on hard, unprepared soil. Failing to create an optimal sleep environment can leave your baby feeling restless, mirroring how a garden with bad soil can struggle to nourish. However, by following these gentle, nurturing steps, you're laying down the groundwork for healthy sleep habits, growing a future of restful nights and peaceful family evenings. One common pitfall is relying heavily on sleep crutches, such as feeding or rocking your baby to sleep every time. While these actions are nurturing and can be comforting, they might create a dependence, making it difficult for your baby to learn how to fall asleep on their own. Instead, try to balance comforting gestures with periods where your baby attempts to settle themselves. Gradually reducing these sleep aids over time helps your baby develop natural sleep skills, enhancing their confidence in managing brief wake-ups at night without strong intervention. Another frequent mistake is inconsistency with the bedtime routine. When routines are sporadic or varied, your baby can feel confused and unsure about what to expect, which can make settling down more challenging. Think of the routine as a comforting roadmap your baby relies on to navigate their transition from wakefulness to sleep. Aim to maintain the same sequence of calming activities, like a bath, story, and lullaby, each night, even during busy or stressful periods. This stability not only secures your baby's sense of what comes next, but also reinforces their understanding of night as a special time for rest. Instead of relying on sleep crutches, try implementing a routine that encourages your baby to associate sleep with calming activities that don't involve extensive external aid. Start by introducing a comforting bedtime ritual that's consistent every night, such as a gentle bath followed by a quiet lullaby. This sequence of events helps signal your baby that it's time for sleep, crafting an environment where they feel safe and ready to rest. Making the transition a pleasant experience rather than a rushed one can significantly ease your baby into sleepy time, supporting their ability to drift off independently. Another effective practice is to focus on the gradual fading technique if your baby relies on you for sleep. This involves staying with your child as they fall asleep, but gradually reducing your presence over time. For instance, you can start by sitting beside their crib and slowly moving a little further away each night. It's a gentle way to encourage your baby's self-soothing abilities while maintaining reassurance that you're nearby. By reinforcing their ability to settle down on their own, you're empowering them with the skills to handle brief nighttime awakenings confidently, fostering a more self-sufficient sleep routine. Establishing a healthy sleep routine does more than just ensure a restful night. It plays a significant role in your baby's brain development. During sleep, your baby's brain processes the experiences of the day, helping to consolidate memories and support learning and cognitive function. A consistent bedtime schedule promotes longer and more restful sleep periods, which are essential for the rapid growth and development occurring in those crucial early months. Sleep also aids in emotional regulation, allowing your baby to manage new and sometimes overwhelming feelings more effectively as they grow. Moreover, adequate rest is vital for your baby's physical health, particularly in boosting the immune system. Sleep supports the production of proteins called cytokines, which are crucial in fighting infections and managing stress. By setting up a reliable and nurturing sleep routine, you're directly contributing to strengthening their immunity, ensuring they have the resilience to weather common childhood illnesses. This combination of cognitive and physical development benefits underscores the importance of sleep as a foundation for your baby's overall health and well-being. Through thoughtful preparation and consistency, you're investing in a robust framework that supports your baby's growth on multiple levels. To start making noticeable improvements right away, consider implementing a simple yet powerful bedtime ritual beginning tonight. Begin by choosing a consistent time each evening to start winding down and stick to this as closely as possible. Introduce a calming activity, like reading a short bedtime story or performing a soft cuddle routine. These activities serve as comforting signals that help your baby understand it's time to relax and transition into sleep. Keeping the routine brief and enjoyable makes it more likely that you'll maintain it consistently, which is key to forming a strong sleep association. Additionally, take a look at your baby's sleep environment and adjust one small element to make it more conducive to restful sleep. For instance, if your baby's room isn't consistently dark, try adding blackout curtains to ensure it remains dim, even during early morning light. Alternatively, consider using a white noise machine to drown out household noises that might disturb your baby's slumber. These small changes can have an immediate effect on the quality of your baby's sleep, making their nighttime environment more secure and inviting. With these straightforward adjustments, you're setting the stage for peaceful nights and more refreshing sleep for your baby. If you didn't know these strategies before, you're definitely not alone. Many parents find themselves navigating the complexities of infant sleep with a bit of uncertainty, and it's perfectly normal to feel this way. Remember, parenting doesn't come with a manual, and each baby is unique, which means a learning curve is part of the journey. Encountering sleepless nights that leave you wishing for guidance is a common experience shared by countless families around the world. By seeking out information and experimenting with different techniques, you're actively taking steps to better support your baby's sleep, and that's something to be genuinely proud of. It's easy to feel overwhelmed when the nights are long and full of cries, doubting whether you're doing things right. But it's important to trust that you're doing your best, and every small step is a move towards positive change. Sometimes, all it takes is a bit of reassurance to know that you're on the right path, and it's okay to ask for help. The fact that you're here, eager to learn and make a change, speaks volumes about your commitment to your baby's well-being. Keep engaging with resources and communities, and before long, those challenging nights will become distant memories, replaced by stronger routines and a confident sense of parenting. By establishing a solid sleep routine now, you're paving the way for your baby's long-term development and well-being. Consistent sleep not only supports brain development and emotional regulation in the present, but also sets the foundation for healthy sleep habits in the future. As your baby grows, these routines will evolve with them, guiding them through various developmental stages with ease. A child who experiences regular and restful sleep is more likely to have the energy, focus, and emotional resilience needed to explore their world, learn new skills, and interact confidently with others. This foundation in early sleep habits contributes to their overall confidence and adaptability in different environments. As a parent, the peace of mind that comes from knowing you're actively contributing to your child's well-being is invaluable. By implementing these sleep strategies, you're not only enhancing your baby's immediate comfort, but also investing in their future health. A well-rested baby tends to be a happier and more curious explorer, ready to take on the day with interest and enthusiasm. Likewise, these routines can offer you a sense of structure and predictability, boosting your own confidence and reducing stress. Through this nurturing approach, you're building a harmonious environment where both you and your baby can thrive, laying down stepping stones towards a bright and healthy future. As you continue on this remarkable parenting journey, remember that each soothing bedtime moment is a priceless investment in your child's future. Every gentle lullaby, every nighttime story, and every whispered word of comfort are the building blocks of a secure, serene, and flourishing childhood. By prioritizing peaceful sleep routines, you are crafting an environment where your baby feels cherished and safe, allowing their body and mind to grow strong and vibrant. Trust in your instincts, celebrate the small victories, and embrace the learning moments. They all contribute to a rewarding bond that grows deeper each day. So as night falls and the world quiets down, take a moment to appreciate the beautiful endeavor of guiding your little one to dreamland. These tender experiences create lasting memories and lay the groundwork for the familial bonds that will support and sustain them throughout their lives. Know that with each night, you're not just nurturing a restful sleep today, but you are gently shaping a confident, healthy, and happy future for your child. Let that thought bring you the comfort and reassurance you need to face each new day with optimism and love, knowing that the choices you make truly matter.